All right, next problem. And we are here. So same directions earlier. I'm going to take both of them, solve for y. I got 2y equals negative x plus 2, divide by 2. Y is equal to negative 1 over 2x plus 1. And the other one is 2x plus 4y equals 4. Subtract 2x, bring it to the other side. So I got 4y equals negative 2x plus 4. Divide by 4, everything. So y is equal to negative 1. Negative 1, that's a sad looking negative. Let's do it again. I do have an erase button. Negative 1 over 2x plus 1. Slopes are the same. So that one's going to be parallel. All right. And we're here. This is the one that's incorrect as well, just to let you know. But these are the answers, just so you can select them and get the right answer. But basically what you have to do is find 2 points on here, find the slope, because you want to know, I didn't read the question. It says choose all the lines that are parallel to the line pictured in the graph. Well, basically, you find the slope of that line, and then you're going to find the other equations that have the same slope if it was parallel. So if I look at this line, I notice there's a point here. So watch this. That's 0, negative 5. I'm going to go ahead and put a point here. I'm looking for corner points. Here's one right here, negative 3, 4. Negative 3, 4. Those are your points. Let's find the slope of that line. You could just do rise over run. And just think about it that way. Let's visualize. I'm here, right? I'm at this. If I go up 5 here, 4 more here. So I'm rising 9. I'm running back negative 3. So that's going to be negative 3 here. Or you could do this. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? Subtract the y's divided by subtracting the x's. So I could say negative 5 minus 4 over 0 minus negative 3. I'm just plugging it in. So that's negative 9 over 3, which is negative 3. So what does that mean to me? I need to find an equation that has the slope of negative 3, because this line has a slope of negative 3. Like I said, this is incorrect. So my logical answer would be the first one and the fourth one. Those two are definitely have a slope of negative 3. Now the other two, this one and this one, you need to solve for y to determine the slope. And we'll solve one of those just to practice. But again, like I said, the answer is wrong. But I just want to make sure we think about it. So I got 6x minus 2y equals 6. Let's see, bring the 6x over. So it's negative 2y equals negative 6x plus 6, divide by negative 2. So y is equal to negative divided by negative is positive. That's 3x minus 3. This one has a slope of positive 3, but that's not negative 3. So it still wouldn't be that one. And the other one, if you were to solve it, it gives you like negative a half or negative a third or something. But it doesn't give you the same thing. So. All right, next problem. All right, it says write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form that goes through the point and is perpendicular to that. Through the point and perpendicular. Well, this is the one we use y minus, my y1 is negative 4. My m, since it says perpendicular to this, I need to slope this, the negative, flip it. So it's going to be 2. And then x minus negative 1. Solve for y. So minus negative is plus. This one's incorrect as well. It shouldn't be, anyway. So here, minus a negative here. So that's going to be y plus 4 equals, this is plus. So when I distribute here, so that's going to be 2x plus 2 times 1 is 2. So you subtract 4 on both sides. So y is equal to 2x minus 2. That should be the answer. The answer is not there. So anyway, we won't keep beating the dead horse. All right, next one. So where are these dead horses? All right, same idea. So I'm going to say y minus 5 equal, the answer is here on this one. Now my slope this time, it's parallel, so you use the same slope. So negative 1 over 2 times x minus negative 2. Let's see, that's going to be y minus 5 equals negative 1 over 2 x plus 2, because that's minus a negative. You rewrite it, distribute. So y minus 5 equals negative 1 over 2x. Negative 1/2 times 2 is negative 1. Add 5 on both sides. Bam. Y is equal to negative 1 over 2x plus 4. That's it. And again, that one is there. A lot of mistakes. A lot of mistakes. And the next one is just a definition. It says, list all possible ways to name the line segment. And there you go, AB, and just say line AB. That's it. It's one of those in the test. This one's nice. This one, the way you look at it is you got to use some logic. Okay? And the logic is, if this is 36, I know angle 3 has to be 36. I know that this whole angle here is 90. So 36 plus angle 1 is 90. So go 90 minus 36, which is 54. So angle 1 is 54. Over here, I know that ABC is 90. Okay, so I know that all of this is 90 here. Let me see, ABC. So I know that this angle here, this is 36. So 36 plus this is 54. Okay, so angle 5 is also going to be 36. Because angle 4 and angle 1, they're both going to be 54. And I know that's 36. So one way to get angle 5 is to add up 3, 4, and 6, subtract it from 180. And if you do that, you get your answer. So this one is correct. So it should be 3 and 5. And last but not least are the constructions. These you just have to kind of remember the constructions on how this works. So anyway, the first one is a perpendicular to a line. This one is an angle bisector. And then this one right here is a perpendicular bisector. And you got to match them. And I know there's one on the test, the main test like this. So hopefully this helps. And I think that's it.